Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be about a simple daytime skincare routine that I follow, and it is featuring Olay products. I'm going to be using the Olay White Radiance range of products, the face wash and the day cream in this video. I'm going to be starting the routine with a facial mist by Good Vibes. This is honey based facial mist. I'm spraying it all over my face, and then I'm going to be going ahead with cleansing my face with the Olay White Radiance face wash. This is a foaming face wash, and that is the kind of face wash that works best with me and my skin type. So I usually prefer foaming face washes, and Olay is like one of the best among them. The electric facial cleansing brush over here kind of helps me to scrub away the impurities while cleansing my skin. Now I'm gonna wash my face. I have washed off my face and I have towel dried my skin. You can actually see a world of difference already. There is no oiliness in my skin, and my skin looks a little more brighter. So I'm moving ahead with the day cream. This is the Olay White Radiance Day Cream with SPF 24. When it comes to whitening and brightening products, there are a lot of controversies going on in the market, but I do not want to say anything about it or comment anything about it. To each their own. But when it comes to me, I look at the range of whitening, brightening products and kind of such things as just a marketing strategy or a marketing gimmick of that particular brand. I do not really just pick and choose the whitening products or anything of that sort. I only go for products or brands that I actually trust, and I usually pick products based on reviews if I pick it up online. But Olay is one product that I can pick with closed eyes because that is a brand that I trust wholeheartedly. I have been using Olay for years together, and it does not matter if it is a Total Effects or if it is an age rewind cream or a whitening brightening cream or anything of that sort. Whatever name it comes under, Olay is a brand that I trust, and that is why I use their products. So that said, if I have to review the Olay's White Radiance range of products, they are pretty amazing. They do not make your skin oily or anything of that sort. It gets absorbed into the skin completely, and it over a time, if when you use it over a time, it truly brings out a glow. And for me, it has worked wonders because it has reduced my pigmentation and pimples and stuff like that, and even age related signs. So I loved using Olay's products, and the 28-day challenge that Olay has come up with truly works. So that is all for my daytime skincare routine. I do not keep it any complicated or anything of that sort because I do not really have the time. Before I close the video, let me give you some particulars about the products that I've used. So the Olay White Radiance Advanced Fairness Brightening Intensive Cream. This is the day cream that I use, and it is with SPF 24. This little pot contains 50 grams of product, and it is priced at 999 rupees. Moving on to the face wash, it is the Olay White Radiance Advanced Whitening Brightening Foaming Cleanser, and this contains 100 grams of product. and it is priced at 349 rupees. Both the products I bought on Amazon and I bought it at much discounted rates, so you can find these products on Amazon. I'll leave the links down in the description below. That is all for this video, you guys. I hope you liked it. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Until the next time I come back to you guys with another amazing video. Bye bye and take care.